Madam,
Yes, sir.
you recording the class?
Yes, sir.
Is it the vocal screen recorder you're using?
No. So, Mr. Sani, looking at
Yeah, I'm with you.
looking at it with test to color, you can't get it right. There's issue. Should I tell you the reason?
Yeah, what's the reason?
Okay. Take a look at row 1. Take a look at this row. What is the delimiter separating each?
It's space.
Space. So look at the second one. What is the delimiter separating each?
Two
Space.
space
The third one. What is the delimiter? Space and comma.
and comma. Yeah.
You see now that there is issue there. The fourth one too. You have space and what? And comma. So based on your experience so far now, what do you think you should do?
Can we?
Try.
Replace and find.
Thank you. I need that
Find
word.
and replace.
Find replace. Thank you. Me, I don't want you to do it. I want to contribute. So let's go on. I'll assist you now. So let's find name. Find name. Then replace with name comma. Replace all. Done. We shall now find it again. Let's find address.
Mr. Adam,
Yes, sir.
please can you go back again?
Replace R with address, comma. Coming. With address, comma. So, what did you say?
Please can you go back again?
I'm already back. I'm back already.
Start explaining.
Me going back is not the issue. You know the issue. The issue there is knowing what I'm doing. You understand? You should know why I do this. Why I do that. I'm asking questions.
How to arrange this?
This is a data set now. This is a data set given to you to work with, and from their website. Let's say you're working for this company, and from their website, this is what is showing on the website. You understand? This is a clip that is showing on the website. But when after extracting, you are extracting, you want to use it. Then after extracting, you now come up with this, and you cannot work with this one. You understand? You need to make it like this. So I'm asking, what should we do based on the topic you have done so far, based on what we have treated so far, based on this? What should we do? I'm not doing anything outside what you have done. I said based on what we have done so far, which function are we going to use? Then Mr. Sani said you should try find and replace, and we should also do what again?
You said text to.
Yes, which I said the idea. That is the two things I needed to use. So you just mentioned those two things. But I'm trying to assist to make it clearer how I want to do now. So why we are using find and replace is because looking at each row, they are not in uniform. Some have spaces differentiating it. Some have space, comma differentiating them in the same data. So what we want to do now is to split everything with comma before we now use the text to column. So just watch what I'm doing. So Ctrl F, find name. So I want to find the name, then replace with name, comma. So replace all. Then I want to find address. Then this other one, H. 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 H, comma. Gender. Gender. Gender, comma. Then you can now split it. Click on column A, then text column, next, separate with comma, not tab. So we still have something again on H. Let's look at it. The H. Control F. Find H, comma. Then replace comma H. So this I was supposed to do H, comma H, comma. This I was supposed to do H. Replace all. And the same thing applies to gender. So supposed to say comma gender, comma. For gender, then I'm supposed to do comma gender, comma. Replace all. Then for address, the same thing. Comma address, comma. Since they are inside, doesn't mean they are outside. I can say only one comma. So that's it. Let's go back to there's still one there. Which one is that?
Don't worry, I'll message her. Should I just
Okay. We're having some issue here. We're having some issue here.
How are you seeing it?
Please it.
How are you seeing the issue?
Can you see?
Oh.
Please.
Mm.
So let's just remove all the commas. Let's remove all the commas. Find comma. Then replace with not. So after that, you can now find name comma. Then address. Then comma address. Comma. Then H. Comma H, comma. And gender. Comma gender, comma. then replace all. So let's confirm again. Text to column. Correct. Finish. So you can delete this one. Also this one. Also this one. Also this one. So we have the name, we have the address, age, the mail. Inside name, address, then age, gender. That's it. So check the correct. Answer as the same. I see. Link.
Nice.
Nice, 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 nice. Nice.
One that they said data cleaning is not easy. Sorry, I can't remember. See, Mr. Dan, have you done data validation? I can't remember. Yes.
You've done it before now. That is section. Check your before VLOOKUP.
Okay. Sorry, please remind me, what's the use for it?
When we did the drop down list.
Oh, okay.
You even
Yes,
use it
yes.
for when you're doing a VLOOKUP now. When
VLOOKUP. Yes, when we did VLOOKUP too. Okay. What are the other uses? So
you can condition a column now. Dates. You can condition dates in between dates. There are a lot of things there. You can custom. You can do custom. You can do custom validation. There are a lot of things on that. You can decide the number that goes into a cell. So this one is for